So we use the phone and tablet, and our first project will be for an Android Nexus phone. Let's click next, and it starts installing the requested components for this particular API, and then click next. Sorry, on previous. Which activity to choose? Let us choose an empty activity for now. Yes. Next. And this is our main activity. The layout name, the XML file, which is the design, will be the design view, will be activity.fdd_xml, and then click finish. And this will create a project for us and build it and open this project, the project files in the Android Studio editor. We can close this window. And we can maximize this editor window for the Android Studio. It is still doing some processes. So the project is now open. This is our main activity, our own create function. That's our resource folder, and here is the layout activity, main layout function. And currently there's just one text view which says hello world is written here, and we have a manifest file. This is the manifest file. In the manifest file, as we said, that we write our permissions and when we, for example, declare any activities or any services or broadcast services or any other services or intents that have to be mentioned here in this portion inside the application part of the Android manifest file. The permissions are normally written at this place above the application portion, but for Android 6 and above, the permissions also need to be granted in the code, not just here. But for Android 5 and before, we need to just write the Android permissions here. For example, read write permissions, contact read permissions, and internet permissions and network permissions and all those things. And this is our Gradle. Gradle is just like uh, um, you can say a make file for the Android. Um, just like we have a makefile for C++, we have a Gradle for Android. Here we define our project properties and dependencies, and the libraries that should be compiled for this project. And this is the main Gradle for the project. And then we have the modules. Sorry, this is the main Gradle for our project, and this is then the main module app module. And when, for example, we have more modules, then other module Gradles for the modules will also appear here, and they can be then also compiled. And just like Eclipse and Android, Visual Studio, we can click here to run. We can click here to